Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. In this class, we will discuss class 4 value education, lesson 1, God is everywhere. I request all of you to take out page 5. Do you know that God exists everywhere? He watches our actions. What if we do something wrong? Should we do something wrong knowingly that God is watching us? So dear children, God exists everywhere. God is, whatever we are doing, God is watching us, all our actions. So we should not do anything wrong knowingly. Okay? Why? Because God is watching all of us. God is everywhere. So in this lesson, we will discuss about a story. This is a story about a boy Rishi who lived in a Gurukul. Gurukul were schools that existed in the olden times. Children of kings and non-people used to go to Gurukuls to get knowledge from Guru. Rishi respected his Guru a lot. Guruji always told his children to be good and honest. He used to tell children, God is everywhere. If you tell a lie, steal or do something wrong, God will get angry with you. So we will discuss about a story. We'll discuss a story about a boy Rishi. Rishi lived in a Gurukul. What do you mean by Gurukul? Gurukul were schools. In the olden times, the schools were known as Gurukul. Okay? And all the children of kings and non-people used to go to Gurukul. Why they used to go to Gurukul? To get knowledge from their Guru, means from their teacher. And Rishi respect his Guru a lot. Okay? And Guruji used to teach his children to be good and honest. And Guruji used to tell all his children, he used to teach them that God is everywhere. You should not tell a lie, steal or do something wrong. Why? Because God will get angry with you. In this way, Guruji used to teach his children. So one day, Guruji decided to test whether the children are understanding what he is teaching. He called all the children and said, "Children, you all know that my daughter is getting married, but I don't have enough money to arrange for the wedding." So one day what happened? Guruji decided he took a test whether his children are understanding his teaching or not. So he decided to test his children about his teaching. So he called all his children together and he said, just to test his children, that, "Children, my daughter is getting married, but I don't have enough money for my daughter's wedding. So I want all of you to bring me something from home." To test the children, what Guruji told? Guruji told his children that he don't have enough money for his daughter's wedding. So he wants all his children to bring something for him from their home. The children listened to him carefully and said, "We will go home and ask our parents for some money or gift." Guruji said, "No children, please don't ask your parents. They will think that I am begging. You bring something secretly without telling them." "Yes, Guruji," said children and went away. When Guruji told all the children to bring something from their home, then the children listened to him and the children replied to Guruji that, "We will go home and ask our parents for some money or gift." When the children told to Guruji that they will ask money from their parents or they will ask gift from their parents, then what Guruji said? Guruji said, "Dear children, don't ask anything from your parents. Why? Because your parents will think that I am begging." So Guruji told to the children to bring secretly without telling them. Their parents should not know. that they are getting gift or money for Guruji. So Guruji told that bring something secretly without the knowledge of their parents. And then the children said, yes Guruji, we will bring some money or gift for your daughter's wedding without the knowledge, without telling our parents. Then the children went away. Next day morning, all children got something or the other from home. They said Guruji would be happy. We have been able to get so many different things for him. Just then Guruji came. The children said, see what we have got for you. Guruji looked at all the things and said, I hope no one saw you bringing these things. No, said all the children. We brought these things secretly. So next day morning, when all the children came to Gurukul, what happened? All the children brought something from their home without telling their parents. And they were discussing that Guruji would be happy by seeing their gift. We have been able to get so many different things for him. We brought so many different kinds of gifts for him. And when they were discussing, Guruji came. And when Guruji came, what the children said? All the children said that, see Guruji, we have got different gifts for you. Then what happened? Guruji looked at all the things. Guruji looked all the things, all the gifts, whatever the children brought for him. And Guruji said, also asked the children once again that, I hope no one saw you bringing these things. And the children said, no, Guruji, no one saw us bringing this gift for you. We have brought these things secretly. No one knows. Our parents are not aware of this gift. As Guruji sat down, all the students went up to him one by one and kept the gift near Guruji. Soon Rishi's turn came. As he stood up, all the children said, Guruji, he has not brought anything. Rishi was quiet. He went near Guruji and stood silently. Guruji politically asked Rishi, you did not get anything, Rishi. Why? Rishi said, Guruji, you told us to bring the thing when nobody was watching. But there was someone who was always watching me. Who? Asked Guruji. God, said Rishi. So what happened? When Guruji sat down, all the students brought gifts for Guruji. And all the students went one by one and handed over their gift to Guruji. And soon Rishi's turn came. And also there was a boy who didn't got any gift for Guruji. Who was he? He was Rishi. When Rishi's turn came to hand over the gift to Guruji, Rishi stood up. And as Rishi stood up, all the children said that Guruji, Rishi has not brought anything. Rishi did not got any gift for Guruji. And at the time Rishi was quiet. Okay? And Rishi went near Guruji and he stood silently near Guruji. Okay? Rishi stood silently near Guruji. And Guruji asked Rishi, what Guruji asked Rishi? He asked that, why you did not get anything for me? So Guruji asked, you did not get anything, any gift for me. Why? And what the Rishi said? Rishi said that, Guruji, you told us to bring the thing when nobody was watching. Yes. As Guruji told that, you should bring the gift. When you bring the gift, no one should watch you. No one should know that you are bringing gift for me, even your parents. Then what happened? Rishi told that, Guruji, you told us to bring the thing when nobody was watching. And also Rishi added that there was someone who was watching me. Rishi told that, Guruji, you told we should bring the gift when no one was watching. But Guruji, there was someone who was watching me. Then what Guruji asked? Guruji asked, who was watching you? Then what Rishi replied? Rishi said that, Guruji, God was watching me. Okay? Then what happened? As Rishi replied that God was watching me, then Guruji was delighted to hear that answer. Guruji was very happy to hear his answer. He embraced Rishi. Then he addressed the other children. He said, I don't want anything for the wedding. I just wanted to test if you remember that I had teach you. I told you that God watches us all the time. He is everywhere. Only Rishi remember it. All the children were taken aback. Guruji said, children always remember God is present everywhere. He is watching us all the time. So never steal, lie or do something wrong. The children said, we are sorry Guruji, but we will always remember this in future. So when Rishi replied that God was watching me, then what happened? Guruji was delighted and he embraced Rishi. Okay? And after that, he told to all the other children. He said that, Guruji said that, dear children, I don't want anything for the wedding. I was just testing you, whether you remember whatever I told you. That you should not tell lie, you should not steal. God is watching us, God is everywhere. Whether this knowledge you understood or not. So, Guruji told, in this way, I was just testing you, whether you remember all my teachings, whatever I taught you. I told you that God watches us all the time. So, I told you God is watching all of us. Okay? As I told you, you should bring gift for me when no one was watching, but many of you brought gift for me, even God was watching at you. Okay? So, he addressed the children. I told you that God watches us all the time. He is everywhere. Whatever lesson I taught, only Rishi remembers. He addressed the children in this way. So after that, what happened? All the children were taken aback. And also Guruji said, once again Guruji taught to his children that children always remember God is present everywhere. God is everywhere. Okay? God is watching us all the time. So dear children, never tell lie, never steal or do something wrong. In this way, Guruji taught to his children once again that don't think that no one is watching you. God is watching all of us. Okay? So we should not do anything wrong. The children said, and after that what happened? All the children said, we are sorry Guruji, we will always remember this in future. Okay? In this way the children replied that, sorry Guruji, from now we will always, whatever you teach us, we will always remember and follow. And they told sorry to Guruji. And what is the moral of this story? That God is omnipresent, means God is present everywhere. So dear children, I request all of you to remember Guruji's teaching. God is watching us all the time. That is why before we even think of doing something wrong, we must remind ourselves that God is watching us, which will help us to do good deeds. So dear children, to do good deeds, we must remind ourselves, okay? To do anything wrong, first of all, we should remind ourselves that God is watching us. So I hope you understood about this lesson. In our next class, we will discuss lesson 2.